So today we got a bunch of errands to run. Jeff's getting his mic set up. Is it on, Jeff?
Yep.
Mic check. 1, 2. Mic check.
Yeah.
All right. Where are we off to first?
We gotta take the delivery truck to the furniture store.
It's rare when I'm in front of Jeff, so I was using the chance. So how are we bringing it back? If you're taking that...
I'm gonna back the Tahoe out and let you drive it, and I'll drive the truck.
What am I driving?
The Tahoe.
What?
Yeah. I gotta...
Jeff's gonna let me drive one of his vehicles. This is a first, ladies and gentlemen. He won't let me drive anything. G35, Corolla sedan, Corolla coupe. But now I get to drive the Tahoe. Oh yeah.
All my drinks in there, huh?
What?
Give me that water. It's by you, it's in the seat. There you go. Thank you, sir.
What the hell kind of music is this?
Forgot we gotta put wiper blades on the truck too.
Yeah, that one?
Yeah, so might as well do that first. Look, they're the same size.
Both sides? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good jump. Most of them are.
Why you say that?
They just are. These micro guards are pretty good.
You don't like Toyota oil filter?
Toyota one's good, but look at the Honda one. There's a lot of Honda people that believe in this thing. It's cheap. It's like one of the most boo-boo.
But the bad thing is about opening like a Mopar, ACW, or Toyota is you can open that and 4 years later, you look completely different. So they're gonna just sell to whoever gives them the best bang for that book. Like Wix makes
Brakes on my dad's truck before we leave.
Oh, okay.
So I can get parts ordered for it. He said the brake light came on. I think it's just because the fluid's down from the pads being so worn.
Yeah.
I told him don't top it off because when I put pads on it, it'll just overflow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got to be what it is. Let me go get the key from him. I'm going to back it up because the spoke's blocking my view of the brake pad right now on both sides. It's the first year that they put an aluminum block 5.3. This is an aluminum block truck. I think
that's what I was looking at.
They only did that in this generation maybe 2 years. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But I know that it was uncommon. It was not as common for the aluminum block.
And trucks, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was like, so if your dad ever wrecks his truck, hey.
Yeah, well, I mean, that was a big deciding factor of buying the truck because the aluminum engines seem to last longer, you know, for a stock truck. You get more mileage out of it. That's what I've always heard. Yeah, I'm not an expert, but a lot of people have just said the aluminum block, you get more mileage out of it. It's less prone to burn oil and stuff.
If you know differently or if you know more, leave a comment below. Let us know because we're Jay-Z SR guys, not really.
This is not my area at all.
Yeah. We wouldn't mind it being our area if you know what I mean. If you want to sponsor us, you know, DM Jeff about sponsor us with the LS bill. We would love to do that.
It's not the little wear indicator's not screaming. You're almost metal on metal. You got my keys.
Oh, I can't drive the truck anymore.
Thank you, sir. You moved the seat too?
Put my butt. No, I just moved the padding.
Okay.
My butt was too far forward. It rides smooth. It's got a nice
exhaust leak.
Oh yeah. But it's got a really nice smooth acceleration, and it rides pretty well.
What are you getting at?
For how old it is. It rides really good. It's a good truck.
Yeah, all new suspension, new bushings,
Okay.
new arms,
Yeah.
new shocks. The only thing I didn't change was the springs.
I give it a 4 out of 5. Something, you know?
Yeah.
We're back.
Back again. Shade tree people. They may have put grease in the battery tray to keep it, you know, so it didn't short out from the bottom of the battery.
5.2?
Yeah.
Is it front?
Does this thing work back here? Yeah, it's front. Look at that. How long's that been there?
It used to be down there.
Cheaper, but not the cheapest.
There he goes. Into the abyss.
This
So,
is a
Jeff,
package
you
they were-
came out of the abyss. What'd you get?
Yeah, this is the package they were trying to deliver last week. Look where it's from. China. This is apparently that canvas thing that I ordered. I thought was going to be like a canvas. It's just a little, they're rolled up.
Oh,
So
you gotta put in your own frame, I guess.
I guess so.
So, so they got the three meats and 2 sides.
Combo plate. Yeah, you get the choice of 3 meats.
Okay.
2 sides.
And usually, what do you usually
get?
get?
Pulled pork, sliced brisket, sausage, green beans, mashed potatoes.
Ooh, how big are the sides?
I always get a pint of baked beans on the side of that too, because I make
What's a
2
pint?
meals out
Is
of
a
it.
pint that big, or the pint's that big?
I make 2 meals out of it.
Here at the Grandma Perkins home.
On Joe Exotic's channel. Oh, you're doing that. Let me not talk about that then.
Well, the backdrop just is like epic. Your grandmother has a lovely home.
Yeah.
What is that,
I
Jeff?
don't know. What does it look like?
Looks like a Bentley with a V.
Like an old Bentley. What's up? The doors weigh as much as a car. It doesn't even have a sticker in the jam. What year is it?
I have no clue. I redid all the seats in it.
This thing's built like a boat on the inside.
Better rides like one too.
Probably so.
smells nice too.
I'm waiting on my, I got some specialty dye coming. This green, where it's all,
To do the piping.
yeah. Because you see, somebody else redyed all these,
Yeah.
and whenever I redyed them,
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yours look good.
yeah, they redid all this too, and everything I redyed the first time. I came back and redyed a little bit more,
Yeah.
and it didn't do it. But the first time, all this, it peeled all the dye that they put on there off.
Up here too.
Yeah. You can look right here where I didn't color,
Yeah.
and it peeled off right there too. This guy,
This thing's in pretty good shape.
enthusiast. Yeah.
Yeah. He wants that status. I wonder,
But it's like
there's got to be
16
something about the
layers.
car that makes people want it. I mean, other than the logo.
Well, it's a
Oh, really?
car. It's a beautiful car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I really think it's just the logo.
You think so?
Yeah, we fixed a little bit of rust in everything.
See what kind of engine's under here. It's probably a forklift
we're-
motor.
I mean, we are here. We get not to go under the hood, right?
Right.
Man, these things are ignorant.
To not go under the hood would be sacrilege.
Which way does it
I think
open?
it opens like Corvette style. If I
Yeah.
remember right. But
Oh, yep.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep.
Huh. Ooh, oh, it's got old school injection. Look at that.
Yeah.
I don't really know what the proper word for that is, but I recognize that. I had when I was in high school, gave me this '88 Mercedes to drive, and it had that same little thing going on it.
So it's a V8.
It was like a mechanical injection that had like a electric and a lift, like a diesel or something.
Yeah.
So, is it V8?
Yeah. Well, there's 8 of those lines.
yeah,
So
Yeah,
for
you're
each
right.
cylinder.
it's V8.
I'm
I don't
stupid.
see the distributor.
Oh, I thought that
Oh, there
was
it
an
is.
A.
Okay. Yeah.
For a second, when we first lifted the hood up, I saw this and I was like, "Is this thing got a blow through on it?" That'd be sick if it was like twin turbo with a blow through.
Just 2J swap it.
Hey, I think somebody did a 2J in one of these.
Got a lot
I
of
think I
room.
have
Somewhere,
I think
yeah.
I did remember seeing that.
This one doesn't have the.
It's got all kind of.
Umbrella.
Does this have an umbrella in one of the
No, I checked
doors?
The back door.
No.
It would have been in the back one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Strange.
Well, that's
Wonder what do you do with
Rolls-Royce.
this?
Oh, the Rolls Royce had the
Rolls
umbrella,
Royce.
not the
is
Bentley.
one.
Okay.
Yeah. I always get them confused.
Huh.
Check this out. Time I get in and I grab this.
I know that it's made like this because it's like hand built. You know, most of this stuff in these German cars is handcrafted. But like,
English.
I wish that there was they had a better dashboard than what something that looked like belonged in a boat.
Yeah.
Like they did
The,
that. They
the
did
green-
that so they could have nice leather on it.
The
but-
green that I had to order to finally find this color, it's
Yeah.
marine dye. It is literally boat dye. For boat.
This is like a weekend project that's turned into like 4 years now.
I don't
4
know what
years
this
later.
is.
Yeah. Is this
what this
is this aftermarket?
Yeah.
Huh.
This is new radio.
It looks nice. It's a good thing he's got this sealed up so it doesn't get anything in it or anything, you know. This crank has been heated. Look at this. See those heat
I
spots?
think he bought this motor from somebody for like $200 or something, and it's the one that's been sitting in the corner over there.
Is that
covered in
aluminum?
Trash bag. Yeah. If I remember right, I think it's aluminum.
Yeah, it looks like it's aluminum. It's hard to see in the dark. It is. Yeah, it's aluminum.
Where we at, Jeff? The Emporium. So Jeff, take a minute real quick though before we get into darkness. Why don't you tell them what we have to do here?
This is the fastest upload internet we have. I think what is it, 10 or 12 meg up?
Yeah.
So the house is, I think, 1.5.
Glorious speeds of Brookhaven. But why are we back here again?
Oh, because somebody uploaded all the vlogs to the wrong channel.
Yeah. So when we're filming this, guys, y'all, the ones y'all seen were already there, but the newer ones, I messed up and uploaded them to the wrong channel. We call that the vlog life. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Vlog life? So instead of the P sign, it's the V. Vlog life.
All right, so we're back at the house. Been a busy day running errands, but when we got home, the airflow meter for this car that I've been working on was in the mailbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and make sure it's good. Let's check it out.